So a lot of people have been asking me why we are spending $63.5 million to rebuild Sunshine Station. And I'm going to take some time this afternoon to explain why. Sunshine Station is the key to unlocking the rail network in Melbourne's west. We're not just upgrading the station, we are going to rebuild her and she will be a super hub. So the $63.5 million is for early development works. This is not about a lick of paint. This is about a rebuild of a really important station, a keystone in Melbourne's west. It's all about how us Westies are going to travel in coming years. It's pretty exciting.